Alright, so some of you may be wondering why the Craftsman is not attached to the door right now and is up in the rafters. Well, I have something very awesome to show you. First, as you can see, we have the Chamberlain wall button, smart panel. But if we look up, oh, what's this? A Chamberlain version of the 58LM. Wonder what this could go to. So if we look at the door, it still has the same Craftsman door arm. If you look up, it's a sectional rail screw drive. What does this go to? The Chamberlain. What model is this thing again? Chamberlain 9902. Screw drive garage door opener, 1/2 horsepower. So I got this opener about, I think, a month ago at the Habitat Restore, brand new in the box. The box for it, I actually don't know where it is right now. That's for the belt drive, right up there. Yeah, I'm not sure what my dad did with the box, but yeah, this is a brand new in the box opener. Very glad to have found this. When I saw this, I could not pass it up. So yeah, I switched that thing out for this, since this is much smoother and much quieter actually. So this isn't gonna be too long of a video because my phone's gonna die soon. But we also have one of the remotes, Chamberlain 973 CB, awesome new in box remote. Just stays there for the time being. And yeah, I ran the wire all the way over for the smart panel, for the wall button. I even put on its brand new Generation 1 sensors. Look at those things. Isn't that nice? So yeah, awesome opener. Go ahead and give it a run real quick. I do have an unboxing video of this, which I will edit and maybe put out sometime in the future. Run it down. Yeah, it's very quiet aside from some rattling in the screw rail, but that's all I have to show for now. I might make a more in-depth video later, since my phone's gonna die, like right now. Got the light and lock. So, yeah. Chamberlain 9902, 1/2 horsepower screw drive. Thanks for watching.